9 kg.
And ladies and gentlemen, it is important to note that Costin Dinu did not make weight, therefore he will have 1 point automatically. But please stay up here on the stage. All right, just move over to that side, thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, our second semi-final will be taking place between Alexandru Andreescu. Weighs in at 78.4 kilograms.
Alexandru Andreescu cântărește 78,4 kg.
And his opponent will be Andrei Ostrovanu. Official weight for Andrei Ostrovanu, 79.75 kilograms.
Andrei Ostrovanu cântărește 79,75 de kilograme. În aplauzele dumneavoastră, Bistrița, cea de-a doua semifinală!
To come back up on stage one more time for a group photo with our tournament combatants tomorrow night. Thank you, Peter, and thank you, Remy, for your inspiration for our tournament fighters.
Vă mulțumim foarte mult, Bistrița, sunteți minunați. Hai cu un rând de aplauze pentru voi, în primul rând. Vă mulțumim mult pentru susținere și sportivii. Vă mulțumesc în numele organizatorilor și în numele sportivilor pentru susținere și pentru prezență. Și o scurtă pauză, nu mult, 5 minuțele care aveți timp să...
Ladies and gentlemen, Remy and Peter both have an envelope in their hands. In these two envelopes, gentlemen, are the names of Costin Dinu and Alexandru Andreescu. Now, what we are going to do is, our two favorites here are Andrei Ostrovanu and Andrei Levustea. Andrei Ostrovanu, you are going to choose your opponent by selecting one envelope from Remy or from Peter. Which one do you choose?
Both of you are great fighters. I respect you so much. You inspired the generation of the kickboxing, so I'm honored to be here with you. But tonight I will choose Peter Arts.
Okay.
Andrei Ostrovanu alege Peter Arts.
Okay. Andrei Levustea. Could you please take the other envelope from Remy? Okay? Gentlemen, come to the center. Open your envelopes and let's see who your opponent is. king. And we have decided that Andrei Leuchter, you can decide, do you want to be in the